Hey guys, welcome to the hardware store special edition, Cooking with Steven. I think that you and your loved ones this Christmas season will absolutely love the special treat we're going to cook up for you here at the hardware store. So come along and I'll show you how to make the best treat for Christmas. It's pretty easy. It only is consistent of 3 steps to make this awesome treat for your holiday party this year. Step 1, purchase moon pie. I've got moon pie right here. Step 2, open moon pie. There it is right there. And this is my favorite step for the best Christmas treat that you can have at any party. I guarantee you're going to be the belle of the party if you do this. Eat the moon pie. All right, guys. Those are your 3 steps to an awesome moon pie delicious meal here at the hardware store. Come on down. We got pumpkin, vanilla, we have salted caramel and banana, and of course your classic double-decker chocolate. And we have them all ready for you. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.